हेलो। यार, नया यूट्यूब चैनल स्टार्ट किया है, नाम है गंदी बात। और कोशिश यही है कि जितनी भी एनालिसिस दुनिया में न्यूज़ आती हैं उसकी करी जाएगी, और थोड़ा सेटारिकल भी बनाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं। अभी जिस बारे में बात करनी है वो इस बारे में बात करनी है कि जिस तरह से लोगों को नौकरी से निकाला जा रहा है, इतना इनह्यूमीन तरीक़ा शायद ही कभी अपनाया गया होगा। मतलब, बीइंग अ जर्नलिस्ट, आई नो हाउ इट फील्स to do all those jobs which we were doing at that time. Imagine during that during the pandemic, everybody was reporting, wearing shields, PPE kits. Offices were on. There were certain things that can't be done from home, so nobody was working from home that time. And I know certain people in different news organizations, big news organizations, calling people and telling them they don't need their services, and harassing them if they're saying that they will not resign. They'll say that they'll cut the pay, they'll cut the last salary or the payout thing which happens after resign. That will not happen. I have no idea how we all are going to cope up with that. We have families, we have EMIs, we have houses to run, we have family to support, but what happens in the end is unbearable. I'm going through that. There are many people who are going through that. Half of media community is like that. There is, I don't think so. There's any scope of getting a job in coming 6 months, because these media houses are you know firing senior people. Those who are above lakhs a month. You know, this is. I have no idea why this is happening, because people think this is the government. People think that due to pandemic, this and that. How it is affecting, I have no idea. How can you blame the government, or somebody can blame certain things? Yes, economy is down, zero. That is, yes, certain policies of the government that is really, really bad, but still need to understand what we are gonna do. I know certain people, certain techies who are out selling vegetables. There's a recent example in which a software engineer was fired from a company and was selling vegetables in, it was in Karnataka, I think. What happens, what will not happen, and what not, I have no idea. But yeah, calls are coming for the interviews, but still nobody's hiring. They're just collecting CVs, nothing else. They'll call you, they'll ask for your CV, then they'll collect it. They are increasing their database. For what? I think half of the media industry is sitting at home and doing nothing, and those who are there are not helping. And HR are, I have, oof, never seen such ruthless people like HR. Man. Why they are not being fired, I don't understand that. So such senior HRs, and they're getting paid in massive amount of money they get, but still very, very, very sad story of all journalists who have lost their jobs. Maybe anybody who has lost his or her job. No idea what I'm gonna. Nobody is understanding now. Now we are getting offers, but small news channels, less pay. Who's gonna pay our EMIs? Who's gonna pay for the LICs? Who's gonna pay for all the electricity bills and everything? So this is just a starting. I'm just starting it today. So I think this will be the first video to get uploaded on YouTube. Please do one thing: subscribe, as I have zero subscription right now. So whatever things are happening and will happen in future, regardless of how what the time is and how you're gonna cope up with everything. This is a small channel that I just want to start to talk about various things, analysis. The next video, I think I'll start with we talk about the file, but the detailed analysis. You must have heard about or seen many videos about it, but I'll give you certain details that nobody has. So this is Wasif saying goodbye. Take care, and please do subscribe my channel. It's Gandhi Baat.